Hi, I'm Courtney with the Leta Automotive Group, and I'm here with Jerry, one of our technicians. He is going to show you how to replace the battery of a one-push start Honda key fob.
Mainly these one-push key fobs are mainly on most of the Hondas that they have now. Good majority of them use these. They have basically a few components. One of them, a lot of people don't know it, they actually have a key inside. You press this little lever over and the key pops out.
Okay.
This really requires, you could use a screwdriver to help pop out the battery, but I mean, you can really do it without any tools. You take the key, there's a little slot here.
Okay.
And you insert it in there and just twist the slot, and both covers.
Oh, okay, so you just apply a little pressure and that
yeah, you
pops
twist
it,
so you use a twisting motion and it pops loose. Now you want to be real careful. This has a module. And you really want to ground yourself because we have exposed electronics here. So you can ground yourself just on any metal surface. And we have the module. You want to apply downward pressure on this module. Otherwise, there's buttons underneath here, and they'll pop out on you. And then you've got it's like a jigsaw puzzle. Okay. So you could take a screwdriver, just insert it right under the battery here, and then pop out the battery. Just be careful you don't, jab in there too much, and there's two little tabs here.
Oh yeah, okay.
And we don't want to bend those. So this particular battery is a CR 2032. We obviously have them through Honda. You can get them at various outlets, throughout the city here, and yeah, you can pick them up there as well. So basically, the writing on the battery is the positive. That faces up, so it'll face up. There's 4 tabs here. You just slide this under the 2 front tabs. As you can see, that LED's already going off. And you slide them under the 2 front tabs and then push down and it'll lock into place.
Oh, okay. Well, that's simple.
And you, like I said, you want to keep downward pressure on this because those buttons will pop out on you. And then go ahead. The front cover has like feet on it. You just slide it up on there and then push it down and it'll click into place. And you can test that there's a little LED here. You can probably hear the alarm going off, just to make sure that you've got it in place correctly. And then you can go ahead and slide a key in and it's complete.
Awesome. And that's how you replace the battery of a one-push start Honda key fob.